Hello guys, welcome to Mission Coding. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Visual Studio Code in the year 2020-25 in our Windows 11 operating system. So without any further delay, let's get started. So for installation and downloading of Visual Studio Code, we need a browser. Like you can go through Opera Mini, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and any other browser, whatever you can want. But in today's video, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge as my default browser. So let's just wait a while. Let me close all the tabs and yeah. So for installation of Visual Studio Code, we have to do just a while. We have to do go on Visual Studio Code download and hit the enter. After pressing the enter, you can see that the website https://code.visualstudiocode.com pops up in front of us. Just click on that website, and as you can see, Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. So I'm going to click on this Windows 11 operating system, but I have already downloaded it. So I'm going on my downloads folder, and after going on downloads folder, as you can see, it's asked me I have clicked on this installation process. This is our Visual Studio Code is asking me the permission that I'm going to accept this agreement or don't accept this agreement. If I click on don't accept this agreement, it won't allows me to download and move ahead in the process. Just click on I accept the agreement. After clicking on this, just hit the next button, and just create on desktop icon and open with code action button, and thus check out all these options available here. After that, click on next and click on install. It depends on your RAM and storage, whatever you have allocated. So depends on that, your installation process will go a little faster or little slower. It depends on your storage and RAM, whatever you have allocated. But here in my case, I have completely a new laptop, a new desktop, so has started very faster as compared to yours. So just wait for few seconds and it will got installed properly in your Windows 11 operating system. So just wait for a while, and as you can see that Visual Studio Code is installed completely properly in my Windows 11 operating system. Let's ask me that would you like to launch this Visual Studio Code after hitting the finish button? Yes, I would like to check it out that Visual Studio Code is working properly or not in my Windows 11 operating system or not. And as you can see that Visual Studio Code is installed successfully in my Windows 11 operating system. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video really helpful for you or add any kind of informational knowledge in your dictionary, so consider subscribing this channel, liking this video, and sharing among all of your friends. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.